Hello everyone, welcome to class 6 of Python programming. We'll continue with lists here. Now, this is the fourth class of list. I've written a list here. If you see, my elements are 10, 20, 30, 21, 12, 20, and 20. If you count, you'll be able to know how many elements are here. I've written the numbers here, and this is a string. I've written A and B to show you that A and B are different. That is the first one and the easy one. The second one is I just wanted to let you know what are the methods available in A and B. If you know the methods, you'll be able to know when to apply, how to apply. So it's imperative for you to know the methods available in A and B. A is an object, B is also an object. A is a list object, B is a string object. You can write dir and then you can write B here and check what are the methods available here. You can write dir A here, you run it and see what are the methods available for list. I've collected both and I pasted here in a paint and I will show you now. See, these are the methods available and two methods are common. Count and index, these are the two methods. They're common to list and string. You can use count in list, you can use count in strings as well. You can use index in list and index in string. I will show you how to use these once again. But before that, if you see the methods available for list and string, we have a lot more methods available in strings as compared to list. Though we don't use all the methods in daily work, however, methods are available. And append is a method that is available in list. You can't use append in string. That is something very important, easy but important, because most of the time we skip the simple things. Capital H is a method that we can use in strings, we can't use in list. These are the two methods common, count and index. I will show you how to use count and index. Let me write a dot count. I want to count the occurrences of 20. 20 appeared 3 times here. So I'll get 3. Let me write something else here. India. So you see, I repeated twice. So let me write b dot count, b dot count I, because I is repeated twice, I should get 2 here. Oh, there is a problem. I have to write within quotes. You run it 2. So I counted, I got twice here. I counted 20, 20 thrice here, 3 times. So count is a method that will count the number of occurrences of that particular element, okay? And here, though we have a string in B, but again it will count the number of occurrences of I. If you write n here, you will get 1. If you write d here, you will get 1. If you write 20 here, you will get 1. So it's counting how many times 10 is appearing, how many times I is appearing in a string. The second one is index. If you write index of I, that is also available for strings, it will show you the index of the first occurrence, because 20 is here, 20 is here, but it will show the index of the first occurrence. Index is 0 here, index is 1 here. So you will get 1. Now do the same here. I comes here. So if you write b dot count I, that is appearing here and here, it will show you the first occurrence, sorry, index. And I run it, I got 0. 0 means the first index, that is 0. So I got 0. These are the two methods common. Other methods you can't use in both the, I mean, both types A and B, string and list types, we can't use. Another thing here, you need to know, suppose I write C and I write here 10, then I can write someone's name, this one, and then I can run it. It's working. Even if I write two names, Amit and Sahil, then I can run it. There is no problem, absolutely. But the question is, let me print C, you will be able to see there are two elements. If you want, you write length, it will show you 2. Even I can write a number and I can write a list here. I can write any set also, but I will not go to that because we have not done sets now. So 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 4. So I can write a list within a list. I can write a name within a list, string, everything. But you try to write something like this, and you write a list, and then you write this. So now here we have a string within a list. Here we have a list within a string. Try to run it. Yeah, it's working. Now I'll print length. And then I'll check. You see, length is 11, it's showing. If you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means this is also considered. This is a symbol. This is considered as a symbol. You will not get something here as a list. If I write like this also, if I write like this, then what will happen? If you run it again, 13 you got. So this is also a symbol. So within string, even if you write a list, it will not be recognized as a list. Remember, all are symbols here. However, within a list, you can keep anything here. That is something you have to know, and you have to know the methods of list. Even you can consider one simple number. If I write age 10.3 or 90, whatever, I can run it. I can see the directory of A. It will show me what are the methods available. We'll not worry about the dunder methods now. See, these are the methods available in numbers. If you write a complex number, you can use imaginary. You can write real to get real imaginary part. We don't have so many methods here. So directory is a very important one in Python. It gives you all the methods available using the dunder methods, including the dunder methods. But yeah, we'll learn dunder methods later in object-oriented programming. I don't want to continue further here. We'll continue from next time. Please write in the comment box if you have any doubts, and share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit. And please subscribe to our channel because we are planning to upload 150 to 200 videos in 2 months time, and we'll go from here to the highest level. Class is over for today. Thank you.